These are genuine leather. So we are sort of removing the hand grip of my bike today. So let's see how it looks before, and then we'll have an after review. So we got it off. Yeah. So the first thing is down, and now we remove the second one. It looks clean.
The second clip is coming out. Let's see how will it look after putting the new ones. It's quite strong. So the second
Of my bike, and now let's see how will these new grips look. So these are from Tanner's Pride, and they look quite good, and I love the leather. This is the look of my bike with the black handles, and now we're going to put the new grips, and let's see how will it look. So right now we are just cleaning off the dust, and this is kind of the first step to put on the grip. Make sure that all the dirts are out. And
so now I'm getting my handles wrapped, and it has got a sellotape and glue kind of thing to make it stuck to the
handle
Industrial tape.
industrial tape. So we got the Tanner's Pride on top of it, and it looks amazing. I'm already excited for it. Let's see how will it look after that. And here we go round, and it's quite easier to stick, and as I've ordered it from Amazon and I got my friend who's helping me with it, I feel it's quite good. And here we go with another round. Oh wow. Wow. So now we are. The installation is quite easy, but we have to just be a little bit careful with it. And it's quite breezy out over here. And here we go with the last round. Yes. And now we're going to put the final tape so that it seals off the edges. And here, go with it. And there we stick it. And wow, it looks amazing. Tanner's Pride. And the very fact that I like this hand grip is just that, my hand sticks. Before this, as you have seen, that